the market I work in has been flooded by one of the REITs in particular who,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
uh, you know,
Similar color doors as yours.
Yeah.
um, only a few of my doors, because my hallways are color coded. There's not all one color. That gets people lost. And
I love that. I love that.
the thing we have done, and once again, time will tell how successful it is. We're operating at an advantage because we are a stabilized facility. We're not trying to lease up in this environment. Um, but the thing we're doing is we offer a 12-month rate guarantee.
Yeah.
And we do to guarantee this. It's not just automatic, but it pretty much is. You have to have proof of insurance, preferably because you bought it through us.
Mhm.
And you have to be on auto pay.
And
I'll
Now,
put a
yours,
link to your page on that, Lee, where everyone can see your 12-month guarantee. I think you call it the neighbor's promise, which I think
that's
is
right.
very cool.
and
It's
that's a
awesome.
perfect example of that give and take and that tension of I'm going to provide really great service, but I'm going to need you to do this. And both sides can meet their obligations, and that results in a really great experience for everybody. A great experience for
Hmm.
you and a great experience for the customer. And I think that's a perfect picture of that, Lee. And Lisa, I think to answer your question, we you can talk about what the other people do in regards to how you do things. And it is, we offer a 12-month guarantee. You may not find that at the competition. That would be worth checking if you want to go back and double check with them, see if they have a 12-month guarantee, because they're going to tell you no. But this is how we do it, and this is why we do it. And I think that way you're constantly turning that focus back onto the good things you do instead of the bad thing that your competition does. And I think we see this is an election year, right? So every single ad that is out there, every political ad right now is telling you how bad their opponent is. Instead of focusing on this is the good that I plan to do, it's let me tell you how crappy that person is. And that's what every ad's about. And we all hate it. So we don't want to fall into that trap. So instead of bashing them, talk about the good you are doing and how you are solving that problem for them, if that makes sense.